Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your Xiaomi Mi 9 Lite, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, and right now we have to tap on the search and type here clone it. This is the name of the application that we are going to use to transfer data. So let's tap on the install button, and right now we have to wait a little bit. Okay, right now we can open on our Xiaomi, and also we have to do the same on the second smartphone, but in my case I just did it and right now I can open it also. So right here tap on the allow once and tap allow a few times on all of these notifications. Click on the yes, I agree, and right now we have to click sender on Android phone, tap set and use this switcher to turn on location, and right now we can go back and tap sender once again. Click receiver on your Xiaomi. Right here we have also tap on the allow, and we have also turned on the location. Click receiver once again, go back to our application, receiver, send again, and right now we have to wait. Click on the Android share icon. And as you can see, we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code, but also we can input the password manually right here. So you have to choose your favorite. I will go with the scan the QR code. So tap on the allow. And right now just pick your phone and put it in the frame of the QR code. Accept the request on your Android smartphone. And right now, if you want to take everything, just click on all of these icons and tap on the start. But in my case, I'm going below for the details, and I will pick some music. So right now I'm going to unselect all of these things, and I will take probably these 3 songs, then tap on the start, confirm with the OK button. And right now we can tap finish on the both smartphones, and right now we can enter the file manager and check if it is working properly. So right here in the music you can find data that we sent from our Android phone to Xiaomi Mi 9 Lite. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.